Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm here to do my first plan with me. I met with a friend this weekend and we went shopping a Tuesday morning together. That video's already up. She wanted to start planning, and one of the things that she said is, Jay, I can't afford all the sticker books that you guys buy, and can you show me a cheap way to kind of plan and decorate my planner the way you do sometimes? I'm a decorative planner because decorating my planner keeps me on track. So I bought Lovely Day and I said, okay, I'm going to plan with this. I have a couple of other things I'm going to use, but you have them too at your house. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use the ephemera pack. So so the paper pad was $2.99. The ephemera pack was $1.99. And with this and with the papers that are here, you could plan for over a month because there's a lot of paper and a lot of ephemera here. And also, everybody has like she's a scrapbooker, so she has some paper pads. And I'm also going to use this Die Cuts with a View pastel paper stack that I had. I think I got it from Michael's a while back. So I've had that for a while. So I'm going to use two of them. I chose to use this one and this one, and you get two of each and two of the same in there. So I chose to use this green, and this green. I also decided that I use my punch and punch out some of these an octagon and a flag. So I did that. I only plan on one page at a time. Sorry for that. I only plan on one page at a time. And I have a whole bunch of stuff that I cut out here to get myself ready to start planning this. I also am going to open the ephemera pack so I can see what I find in there. Hope I'm still on camera while I open this ephemera pack. So I open the ephemera pack and let's see what's in there. It has a whole bunch of pretty things in here. Look at that. So there's lots of stuff that I could use to do some of the planning that I'm going to want to do. It has lots of things to choose from. So if you have if you buy an ephemera pack and you don't have a lot of money to buy a planner sticker books, try just getting a paper pad. You don't have to go to Tuesday mornings. You can go to Michael's and find a paper pad. Get that. Cut your boxes out. You can measure the boxes, but I have one of those one of the punches from Me and My Big Ideas. So to get started, I'm going to kind of just lay things down a little bit and see how I like it, and I'm hoping that I'm on camera there. I think I want to start, get my sleeves up because I'm really working. I'm going to start, I think I want that there because I liked it. I think that looks really pretty. I think I want to balance it out with one down here. I want that there. Now for me, that's already looking quite pretty. I want to take this and cut it cut it across. And I want to slide that down there like that. So I can have that. I kind of want to have the pages to be the opposites of what they are. And on this side. So I kind of like for this one, I think this is pretty. It didn't take a lot to do. It's very pretty. I can layer up. For this, I can layer up on here. I could throw an octagon on here if I want it to give it some dimension. I could throw a flag on it to give it some dimension. Oh, little hay on there, sorry. I could do that, or I could just put the flag on it to give it a little bit going on there. I think I want to put the octagon here. Probably want to put, get out of the way, hair. Get out of the way, hair. Am I still in? Because sometimes I slip in and out of keeping my camera steady. So I'm hoping I can do that without bumping it, hoping I'm not out of frame. But I think that's quite pretty. I think you don't have to do a whole bunch to get a pretty spread. You know, I kind of like Bugs. I hate to say. I kind of like Bug there. Kind of think he looks good there. So that would kind of be my first page. That would give me, okay, I got this thing. I think I want to cut it in half. I think I want to cut it in half. Put it over here. Throw this octagon in it. I wish I had a circle punch. So circle would probably do it much better. But I like that. I like that look. I think for this, for me, this is quite pretty. It's quite pretty. It's decorative. I used one page in the from the paper pad, Lovely Day. I think I'm gonna take my glue now and put this down. I like the way that looks. That's my first page. My second page, let me make sure I got the camera for you. Now the second, I never stopped planning. I started out being a Franklin Covey planner girl. And I never stopped planning. I've always planned. And I just kept going. Some people I know had started planning with me, and they were like, you know, Jay, I can't keep up with this. I don't want to plan anymore. And then when the planner, you know, like people, well, you know, I tried electronic for a while, but I wasn't very good at electronic because I love paper. I love stationery. I love paper. And so I couldn't do it that way. I couldn't keep up with that non-paper thing. So I had to go back to my paper planning. You know, I kind of like this thing. I don't know if it looks that good over there. It looks good on that side, but I don't know if it looks good on this side. But I like what I'm doing over here, and I'm hoping it's not over. I don't want it to be overly done. I have this tag from the paper pack that I kind of want to put there. I think I want to put it there on Thursday, like that. And down here, over here in this corner, I want to balance it a little bit, like that. And let's see, I kind of want this one to be more green, and like the other side's more flowers. I kind of want this to be more green. I need the space in here because my Friday's going to be very busy. My Thursday's going to be less busy because I'm just going to be working on reports and stuff like that and answering calls. But my Friday's going to be busy. The weekend, Sunday is going to be my day of rest, so I don't need to put anything down there because I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to rest all day Sunday. I don't care who calls or what. That's going to be my day. That's going to be what I'm doing that day. So I think I had one of these, maybe one of these circle things. Let's see, maybe I could do, it looks good like that. Maybe I could put a circle thing here with that. Nope. Circle thing here. Let's see if we can build that up. Circle thing here with that. What do you think? What do you think? How does that look? And also, while we were out today, I was able to pick up my my calendar. I usually wait until the 18-month calendars come out. Now, I like this spread. I do like it. I don't think I need to do a whole bunch more to it. I like it. I think it's pretty. I think it's decorated nicely. I don't think I'm going to do anything else to it. So I usually wait until the 18-month calendars come out for Happy Planner, and then I go off and look at all that's out there. I'm a vertical planner, of course, so that's my dog sneezing in the background. So sorry for that. She's rooting around. She's just come out from under the couch, so I'm not even going to tell you that it's dusty under there because it's probably dusty under there. She's a Yorkie. So there's dust under there, and so who knows what she's doing under there. She probably lost something under there and going to get it. So she probably went under there to get it. But it's kind of the thing that you do. Oh, I got that in there. That's the only thing about using glue. You can move it a little bit. You can kind of push it around a little bit, but not a whole bunch. Now I'm liking the way the spread looks. It's not too overly done. It's pretty, which is what I like. I like a pretty spread. So it's pretty. And to do this spread didn't cost me much. If you don't have punches and things like that, you can kind of measure the box to get the box size. If you have a box, you can measure the box, get the box size, and then, oh shoot, can't get the glue out. And then cut your boxes out. If you don't have punches, you can kind of, where did I get this from? You can kind of freehand, I think it came from here. You can kind of, I think it came from here, but you can freehand your, objects. Use more of the ephemera if you can find ephemera pack, and I'm telling you, you can go online. But if you don't have much money, use what you have. Decorate the way you like. Don't go so far. Don't go out and spend if you can't spend. If you can't spend, don't spend. But join the movement. Enjoy planning. Keep yourself on track. Love what you do. I've had friends who start planning. They go out and they buy all the stuff and they just can't keep up with it. Planning is one of those things planning and decorating. And I have some friends who are functional planners. They're like, I don't want any washy. I don't want no pretty. I just want to get my stuff on there and do it. All kinds of planners. You can be whatever kind of planner you want to be. Just go and just get yourself together and start. The planner community is, as I think I read it on one of Capital Chic Designs thing. Planner friends are best friends, are good friends. I made some good friends in the planner world. I learned a lot of stuff from people in the planner world. You gotta have a bug. I want that bug. You gotta have a bug. Do I want that bug? I think I saw a butterfly or something. Did I see a butterfly in some of this ephemera package here? Nope, I saw a yellow flower, but yellow flower don't kind of go. Here's a little butterfly. I mean, is that a butterfly or is that some kind of does that look like a butterfly or some other kind of bug? I don't know what he is, but I'm going to put him on here. I want him to... Boop, boop, boop. Where do I want him? I want him right there. Right there. Saturday. Put him right there. Okay. Let's look at it. Subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram on TJ Bird's Journey, and I always post my my spreads there each week. Thank you very much for coming back and I hope you enjoyed what I did. Planning on the cheap. That's what this is. Planning on the cheap without stickers or anything like that. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.